we've had an inch in crop.
Jandowae farmer John Alexander is on a quest to improve his soil health and unlock its potential for growing high-yielding, profitable crops.
For me, if I get the soil right, then the plant's 95% there. And it also means we're getting better moisture infiltration and just better pest and weed and insect kind of control as well.
Mr. Alexander farms the 400-hectare block Walmer, which is playing host to a series of soil nutrient trials aimed at addressing subsoil constraints, including for phosphorus and potassium. They are being conducted by the Queensland Alliance for Agriculture and Food Innovation and are being supported by the Grains Research and Development Corporation and the Queensland Department of Agriculture, Fisheries and Forestry.
These soils are very low, well, very high in sodium. They're very high in magnesium, especially the heavier redder knobs, or not the heavier knobs, but the redder knobs. They have a reasonable amount of nutrient in there, but some of it's hidden, some of it's not there. Potassium certainly is a point, and phosphorus. And once you get past that first sort of 10 centimetres, 4 inches, yeah, we're seeing significant deficiencies there.
Mr. Alexander dryland farms a cereal pulse rotation, with sorghum and mung beans in summer and chickpeas and barley in winter. He hopes the information from the trials will build on the paddock scale soil tests he has previously conducted and recent EM38 mapping.
We've had soil tests done in the past, going back a long time, ever since we've owned this block, we've done them every year, but they would be an aggregation for a field, not at an individual site for the soil type that's there. So we've moved towards that now. We've actually mapped the soil using an EM mapper, EM38 map, and we've found that there is significant variation just in those areas, especially here, because the soil does change quite dramatically and it's a lot shallower.
By combining this knowledge with a move towards precision agriculture, he plans to localise soil treatments to boost underperforming areas.
We just need to be a little bit more exact, and we can't, on this soil here, we just can't be averaging, otherwise we're really sort of taking away the potential yield of this country.
But he knows it's a long-term project.
So we're sort of on a bit of a voyage of discovery, and unfortunately with soil I think it'll take a while, and certainly when we start looking at this soil balancing side of things and also this stuff, it'll be sort of 3 years maybe before we can really put our hands on our heart and say it's going to be working properly, or we're happy with the result. But yeah, in the meantime we'll still keep a very close eye on it and do a fair bit ourselves.